Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Hand Blender. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Cuisinart Hand Blender. 300 watts for powerful blending. Stainless steel shaft, slim design reaches deep to blend right in pot, pitcher or bowl. Durable and elegant stainless steel housing and shaft. Number 4. Turtle Kitchen Hand Blender. 1 and 2 horsepower 220W powerful motor, with 4,000 to 20,000 RPM speed brings high professional effectiveness. This light-duty immersion blender is perfect for making soups, puree, sauces and cream. Number 3. Braun Immersion Hand Blender. This motion gives you flavorful, smooth results with no unwanted pieces, while requiring up to 40% less effort than traditional blending shafts. Number 2. KitchenAid Hand Blender. Removable 8 inches blending arm locks into the motor body for easy operation when blending in deeper pots. 1 liter BPA-free blending pitcher is the perfect container to use when blending double batches of smoothies or baby food. Number 1. Smeg Hand Blender. Adjustable speed for maximum versatility and consistent results. Ergonomic and anti-slip handle for easy handling during use. Powerful 350W motor with turbo function for optimum performance. Stainless steel blades with flow blend system